give me sunshine, yeah, yeah.
Welcome to the Instant Tutorials by the Ruggeds, where every week we teach you a new breaking technique. My name is Taufik, and I'm gonna teach you the flare, how to do a flare. I'm gonna show you some techniques, and don't forget to also check out my air flare exercises, my air flare tutorial. So yeah, man, let's get it. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. All right, so flare. Flare looks like this, yeah. To have a nice flare like this, okay, important tips. Stretch, it's 50% of your power moves. Yeah, do some strength exercises so you need to hold everything. And yeah, man, that's it. So we're gonna start. What's important is the beginning. Yeah, the beginning. How I do the beginning is I place my left arm because I do everything counterclockwise. Yeah, so if you are doing it the other direction, it's your right arm. Everything the opposite, basically. So, put my left arm down. What's important is always to kick this leg behind you, like here, yeah? And then the second one goes up, boom. Yeah? After you have this, the left leg, it continues. It's like a sweep. Yeah, like a sweep. So, it goes like this. Yeah? After you do this, you keep the other leg up. It stays close to your head. Yeah? So you have this. Boom. Okay? And then after, when you get here, it's important to always keep your hips up. When you keep your hips up and you use your arm, you use your momentum of your arm, it goes like this. Yeah, so your legs stay like here. If you do it, see? This arm, I bring it over me. Yeah, after I'm behind, you do the same rotation again. It's actually you repeat it because of the momentum with your hips and your flare. It's gonna go in a circular motion. So I'm gonna do it slow. So, boom, kick back. Leg up, sweep, then hip up, arm goes here, and then you automatically get here. And when you're in the back, you do the same. You go, boom. Yeah? So I'm going to do two flare and look how it looks, what I do in my legs. Yeah? So I do that same motions. So, this is basically how flare works. It's very easy, but I also have some workouts that I do next to my power moves. It's important. You have to work on your mistakes. So all of the things that you do in your power move that you can't do yet, it means you're lacking something. It can be strength, flexibility, so you really have to find it. Yeah? So what I basically do is an ab workout for flare because it repeats the motion of flare. So what I do, I sit like this, legs here. Like you can already see that I am more flexible than, than some people think. Like if you have your legs like this and you try to do flare, it's impossible. So stretch, yeah, now split. So you're here, boom. What I do is this motion, without my legs touching the ground. It's important because the same way I do this is that I do flare. And I focus on my legs staying here. You see every time my legs are swinging. Boom. This is important to understand the rotation, how to do flare. So you can make this like a set. Like try to do it 30 times or 40 times. That's what I do. My sets are like 50. I do 50 times this, and I do something else. So you're gonna feel the burn, yeah? The other part is you have to learn how to lift yourself up, because you see there's also a big problem with people doing flares. This. You have to be always here instead of doing this. Yeah, you have to be high. So to get this motion, you have to learn. Like if you want to use this motion, you have to learn how to use your hips, like to lift them up. Yeah. So you can use the same exercise what I just showed you, and that's this one. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go like this, put my leg on the ground, but I only use this part. And then I just push my hip up. Go all the way there. Yeah, you do it again. You do it again. Also, you can do the other side too, because this is my good side. I go here. I do the other side again. You see, every time I do this, I push myself. So practice this. Also practice your planche. Easy, this one. Yeah, this one is actually a good basic to learn your strength for flat. And yeah, do all of these workouts, yeah? Don't forget. And you know, enough talking from me. You have to practice. I don't like to talk. Practice hard. Do this 1,000 times. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, man. This is Taufik. Check my ab exercise. You know it, man.
Yo, if you have any tutorials you would like to see, put them in the comments below and we'll get to it. Remember, we do this for the love, but if you want to support us anyway, go to theruggeds.com and cop our merch.